Alright, check in my beautiful people. I'll go on. Alright, so I'm there with my daughter today. I'm there with my daughter today. What I say I'm there with my daughter that I said a while ago?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're doing an unboxing video. So basically we get some stuff. She's gonna be my camera person, but she said that she wants to be in the actual video. So she wants to be in the intro before the unboxing video, you know what I mean? So Amanda, you're my camera girl, IP. So just stick and stay and watch how I go on. We get some items. As y'all can see, Amanda, when you're looking at the camera, look at the camera, not on me, okay? So if we move to the left, you move the camera to the left. Yeah. All right. Good. RPs, we received some packages. These packages are from Nadine. You know what I mean? And you don't know, we collect some stuff. We have a few more items that we should collect very soon, but you know. We're getting some package. We don't know what they're in them big boxes. It's a 15 pound and this a 16 pound. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through the bigger ones first. Come over here, Amanda. Oh, the frame look alright? Alright. Yeah, I'll do the bigger ones first. Well, this doesn't matter.
You got bowls and plates.
Yeah? Come.
And lunch boxes.
Come. Focus. This one was already pulled from in the car. This is a clever knife. Cleaver, sorry, my bad. So this is a cleaver knife, guys. This is a chopper. I have one of these. I got one of these before. Trust me, this is a nice chopper. I'm even gonna pull this out of the case. I keep that one here for future references. I should in case if I need any additional knives or whatever the situation or the occasion, then we can drop another chopper. Alright, so that is for that. How the angle commander, make sure I catch a package in here, baby girl. Alright, so this now, look at the camera not on me. Alright, so guys, we got some dish towel. Yeah. So this is for, you know, when we're up on our adventure. You know what I mean, we can Amanda. When we're up on the adventure we can utilize these stuff. Yeah man. So we got some nice dish towel, guys. Nadine, hope you're watching this video. What is this?
Let me see if you can tell what it is.
Amanda, ensure that you're watching the video. Alright, so we got some more dish towel, guys. So microwave cloth. 18 piece microwave cloth. At first, I hear about this. Anti-free, ultra soft for a powerful clean. Non-scratch. Durable for multiple use. Pink. This is a pink set. At first I see them, guys, so them a microwave cloth. So I put them here one side. Now I take them out of the pack. I leave them as it is. Alright guys, so let's go to the big boxes now. I'm gonna ensure that you're watching the video. Guys, Cosboy and Sikadin be supposed to there. You don't know, we do a big unboxing video by Riverside. Or I link up the general them, or I do the right thing, you know what I mean? So we get them items here. I'm just want to chop them quick and fast. So this. Oh, alright, them peeps. So this.
It's a big old.
Did I catch it?
Yes.
Alright. No man, come back on the side, mama. Oh, a box there, a box. Hold on there.
It's a blender, bruh.
I know it's a blender, man. I have to make them
Big
see.
blender. It's a nutrition.
It's a NutriBullet.
Same thing.
Chano, hold on there.
Oh.
Hold on there, man.
It's a pretty.
Alright, guys. See it here?
Pretty blender, guys.
No, don't turn the camera like that. So this is a NutriBullet blender, guys. So you don't know. Definitely for our vlogging. You understand? As a matter of fact, we're supposed to do some juice for the guys in the downtown Kingston. You see me? So when we get the chance, this a blender we're gonna use as it. So what about this, Amanda? So we get a NutriBullet blender. NutriBullet. Alright, peeps. So this is the final package. Final, but not. Well, last but not least.
now, you know. Oh my god, it turned off.
Alright, so we got some lunchbox. No, you know, turn off, mama.
Couldn't see.
We got some lunchbox, guys.
No. Take the plates. You never know.
Lunchbox, man.
Yeah, that one probably.
Yeah, so we got some lunchbox. Get 100, 200, and I think we'll have another one, which would make it 300. So those are all the boxes. You don't know the lunchbox, the NutriBullet blender, and we got the cleaver knife, chopper, and also we got the microwave cloth. I'll see one more the lunchbox here. This is what we use out our day. So we have box for days, months, and decades. Again, Nadine, big up yourself. I think the lunch boxes are from someone else. I have to probably check back my list because we have a list of organized, and so every little thing we receive from everybody we can check and confirm. That way they wouldn't make no mistakes, you know what I mean? So big up yourself. This was a quick unboxing video. Hope you guys like to see what I go on, you know what I mean? We're grateful for all of the stuff that we receive. We have a lot more stuff coming in very soon. So you don't know, as time progresses, we'll collect the stuff in stages, you know what I mean? And we gotta do the right thing. So big up yourself, Nadine, again, thank you so much. Heart of love, grateful for the blender. It's a NutriBullet blender, you know what I mean? So we are going to definitely utilize that and do the right thing. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Heals people are skill people. Don't forget to watch the ads, them guys. Yeah, man, that is it. So just stick and stay. Watch what I go on. Big up Sika and big up Cosboy. Big up Zeke, and you know what I mean? Coolly, big up yourself. That is it.